In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select your language from the list of available ones and click on Save. Then tap on Continue twice and once on Start. Following that, after closing an ad, you can exit Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down a bit, tap on Apps, select Default Apps and click on Home app. Now to apply iOS Launcher, click on it. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you wish to access some of its settings, tap on Launcher app, close that, tap on Allow in the pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!